Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about 5 most important tips for getting the first page ranking in Google, or at least they are helpful to achieve this goal. So let's start. So the very first important tips is check your meta tags. Check whether the keywords and the pages on which you are targeting your main keywords, all the pages contains the meta tags, and all the meta tags is properly formatted according to the Google's guidelines. All the meta tags are having the targeted keywords properly within first 140 characters. If your meta tags obey all these instructions, you may find see you may see importance very soon, because according to Google they fetch the data from the meta tags. If your meta tags are correctly optimized, you will see the positive results very soon. See whether all your keywords and all your pages in which you are targeting your main keywords having the sufficient content. Without the content, it's a dream to get the top ranking positions, or somehow you manage to get top ranking position, you will not able to stay there for a longer time, because many experienced and good people are working across the world, and they all want to rank their website on the first page and first position. So if you want to reach at first page and want a good ranking for longer time, then you need to think about your content is the king in the SEO. And if you optimize your content properly, then you will be able to stay there longer time. And if you are not in ranking, then your keywords will start appearing in ranking after doing a little bit of SEO. So make sure that all your pages contains 200 words at least, and all the 200 words are unique, original, and not having any plagiarism problem. Do not copy from others website, because Google will catch all these cheatings and you may get penalized. And if you hide from penalization, then you will not come to top ranking positions, because anytime sometime Google will notice it. Keep a check on your domain authority. Domain authority is a major factor to achieve the ranking. In my opinion, maybe many experts are have different opinion on this topic, but according to me, if your domain authority is suppose 10, then what you need to do is search the websites which are having the higher domain authority and less spam score, and submit your links to those websites instead of submit your link to the website having zero domain authority and page authority. Because it will not provide you any instant benefit if you are submitting on the websites having low domain authority than yours have. So search for the websites having higher domain authority and higher page authority and less spam score, and you will get the instant results within 1 or 2 weeks. In the next caching, you will see that your keywords are improving. See on with your website how you have optimized your website. go to the spyfoo.com and analyze your competitors, what they are doing, how many keywords they are in the ranking. So it will help you to get more insights into the domain and the subject of the website. So check your websites for all the alt tags. If your websites are containing the alt tags, it will increase your chances to get noticed by the Google soon. And so first thing is, analyze, check all your websites, and go to sitemap.xml of your website. See if it requires any changes or not. Suppose first thing you need to check whether you have the sitemap.xml or not. You have the roar.xml file or not. If you do not have, then you need to upload these files as soon as possible. It is easy to upload. You don't even require the FTP or the cPanel. You can upload simply via plugin. I have made a video on this topic. You can view that video if you're having the WordPress website. So sitemap.xml, root.xml, url.txt, and image alt tag optimization. Optimize your images properly. Keep your website simple. So it is my 4 tips, and it is very important to optimize your images. So my next tip says, keep your website simple. Make it user friendly, not the search engine friendly. Search If you are making your website user friendly, it automatically means it is search engine friendly, because search engine cares about the people, cares about the visitors. They want to make the user's experience better day by day, and that's uh, why the algorithm updates are coming every year. So on the fifth rank, fifth tip is, be positive always. If one thing is not working, there are several other things in the online marketing you can try to rank your website faster. So my suggestion is to keep building your backlinks on the higher domain authority websites, and you can also uh, improve your reach by uh, submitting your links to the various websites, like various methods like local listing, forum posting. Forum posting is very important. uh, if you cannot choose more than one website, just choose one website only. Maybe suppose for example Digital Point, and keep posting every day something, and when you get the signature you will start getting the traffic. And the second thing is that always keep searching for some better blogs online which are accepting the guest posts and which are having the higher domain authority. The next thing I can suggest you, that make a account on the social media or any popular websites like social networking website, MySpace, or uh, other websites like Google Plus, and try to contact with more and more people. uh, it will help you to get more traffic. Join the various groups which are having same domains as your businesses or your website is. It will help you to improve your outreach and increase traffic to your website. So these are five most important thing, and now it's time to say goodbye. So if you have any question, you can let me know. So okay, bye.